Hi friends, welcome to Lifestyle Lakshmi. Today I am going to take you to the Dodda Alada Mara, big banyan tree in Bangalore. It is in the village of Kettohalli, a little distance away from busy Mysore Road. It is about 64 kilometers far from Bangalore airport and it will take nearly 2 hours to reach Dodda Alada Mara from Bangalore city. If you go by bus, it may take about 4 hours to reach. We travelled by our own vehicle via KR Market, Kengeri, and we have to take a right turn near Rajarajeshwari Dental College on the Mysore Road. If you plan for one-day trip with family near Bangalore, this is one of the best places you can spend time with calm and peacefully. Those who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button for the notifications. Thank you. On the way, we had a nice darshan of Lord Ganesha in Mahameru Panchamukha Ganesha temple near Kengeri. The massive golden color idol of Panchamukha Ganesha on top of the temple will be inviting you from the heavy traffic of Mysore Road. The temple is about 2 kilometers far from Kengeri main bus stand. It is nice to see a place which is so quiet and peaceful. As soon as you enter the temple, you will feel calm and peace. We can see beautiful pond surrounding the temple. Here, Lord Ganesha has Panchamukha, meaning 5 faces along with 5 bodies. Another speciality of this temple is it is built in the form of Sri Chakra, a 3-dimensional construction. Here, one head of Lord Ganesha is on the top facing the front by giving a pyramid shape of the idol. We had nice and peaceful darshan over there. After Ganesha's darshan, another 10 to 15 minutes of travel, we have reached Dodda Alada Mara at 11 am. There are number of restaurants and eateries in front of the gate. There is no entry ticket and timings from 8 am to 5:30 pm on all days. And we feel splendid twist as soon as we enter the gate. It is a massive 400 years old banyan tree. Marvelously, the tree is spread across in 3 to 4 acres of land, making it one of the biggest banyan trees ever. Dodda Alada Mara is the 4th biggest banyan tree in India, after the biggest trees in Andhra Pradesh, Kolkata and Chennai. Usually, banyan trees are considered as the symbolic representation of fertility because of its enormous canopy and countless roots. Dodda Alada Mara totally lives up to these expectations, owing to the massive sunshade it has. The roots are symbolic of Brahma, stems of Vishnu and branches of Shiva. According to the Hindu tradition, the banyan tree is holy and thus, apart from the general visitors, many devotees visit the big banyan tree. Best period to visit Dodda Aladamara is from January to April before summer season starts, so you can enjoy there peacefully for some time. The tree just looks like a bundle of a vast collection of trees. The enormous scatter of the tree branches has also made itself home to a number of animals, particularly monkeys. It has more than 1,000 aerial roots. We have gone there with our uncle and auntie. They enjoyed and they feel so happy over there. There are seating arrangements placed around the tree which the visitors can use to sit and enjoy the beauty of Dodda Aladamara. Picnics and evening walks are some of the most common activities over there. Visitors can simply relax and admire the magnificence of Dodda Aladamara. The vast dry land covered by various branches of the tree provides for the perfect place to enjoy a calm and relaxing picnic among the huge branches of the Dodda Aladamara. There is a temple established right in the middle of the 3 acres banyan tree land. Since the tree itself is holy for Hindus, a number of devotees are visiting the place quite frequently. The temple serves perfectly for them to enjoy a calm and peaceful praying. There is a shelter over there to have snacks and food and enjoy with your family. Beware of monkeys over there. Be careful while having snacks or food. Since there is no restriction on taking pictures and videos here, visitors can take several snaps and videos the beauty of magnificent Dodda Aladamara. There are a lot of benches in the campus for you to sit and soak in its relaxed aura. With the fenced boundaries and calm surroundings, Dodda Aladamara is an ideal place to spend a relaxing day in complete privacy, away from the city busy life. It is an ideal picnic spot for people of all age groups to relax in nature's companionship. It is perfect for visitors who have spent long hours exploring the vast land to just relax and enjoy with delicious snacks and beverages while enjoying there. Some tips: wear loose clothes and shoes, so it will be convenient with shoes and loose dress. So this is one of the perfect weekend place and getaway location with family and friends. While returning from there, we saw so many nurseries in that village. We visited one of the nursery by the name Rose Center, where we saw so many varieties of plants and roses. Really, it will be a feast to those who are interested in gardening. One can buy so many plants and creepers, seeds also at wholesale prices, and other tools and products related to gardening also available there. Really, it was a very nice experience for us. We can cover a temple and one historical place and few nurseries also in a day. It is very nice for one-day trip for Bangaloreans, particularly for school children. Thank you all. All of you, please subscribe this channel and press the bell button for the notifications.